Yeah.
Hey friends, it's Naz. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're getting into some DIY beauty maintenance. It's Friday night. I just got back from an event and I have CultureCon this weekend, so we got to get everything together. So we're gonna get into my everything shower. We're gonna do skincare. We need to shave this face and do these brows. Gonna do my lashes. I need to redo these. Press on nails. I got some new nails for my girl. Hold on, let me go get them and show y'all. My girl is gonna hook me up. Y'all, look at these lashes. I mean, look at these nails. They're literally the cutest things ever. So I'm gonna put these on. What else do we need to do? Teeth whitening, and then we're getting into bed because it's already almost 1 a.m. and I know that sounds like a lot, but we're gonna do this quick. So just a reminder that your maintenance days don't have to be a burden. Like, it does not have to be stressful. Just take it step by step. I just love like my self-care nights, tending to myself. I like to light a little candle, play some music, and literally just relax. I don't like to think about it as a burden. I love tending to myself and taking care of myself and make sure I'm pouring into my own cup. So that's exactly what we're gonna do tonight. For my shower, I usually like do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday situation, but I'm switching it up today because I wanna do my little like luxe combo I like to use. Like, this combo right here, I love it so much. It leaves me so soft, so glowy. I'm also gonna show y'all like the lotion I use. So good. So let's just get into this little DIY beauty self-care night. Hey friends, so first, excuse my voice, child. It is a little late, but I love starting my like self-care night everything showers with dry brushing, and I try to do this like twice a week. It really helps with like lymphatic drainage and circulation and just having like overall smooth skin. I do this on dry skin before I get in the shower, and I do like short strokes going towards the heart. And if I'm having any type of eczema flare-up, I make sure to skip those areas. I'll talk about everything else later, but love the Topicals Fitted Bar and Flamingo products for shaving. I just took my everything shower. I know my face looks a little dry. We're gonna get to that in a second, but it was so good. I was shaving my toe knuckles, y'all, and like shaving my knuckles. Like, it was a good everything shower. I used Durium's Glow Getter body wash, and I love that stuff so much. And then I don't know how to pronounce it, L'Occitane, the like shower oil, and I feel very soft, very smooth. But the star of the show is about to be this Vaseline Radiant body lotion. So I got it. Ooh, I got it in PR, and as you can see, literally running out. Hold on. I got it in PR, and I've been seeing like the girls like I've been seeing the girls with their ads with it and stuff, and I'm like, I need to try that, but I never saw it in the store. And this lotion, like, there's no reason it's so good. Like, look at that. I put a little bit up there, but look at this arm compared to this arm. Like, and it's just regular lotion. Like, it's not a body oil or nothing. Me banging this bottle is so ridiculous. But it has niacinamide in it. So it like, it's supposed to be for evening out skin tone, which is really cool. But I love this lotion, and I love to use it with like the Naturium body wash. Just to get nice even skin. But I'm gonna finish moisturizing and we're gonna get into this face. All right, hello girls. Okay, I'm back. Now we're gonna get into this face. I'm about to shave my face, do my eyebrows, and I like to use face oil. I got this one in PR. It's Drops of Gold Face Foundry face oil. I used to use aloe vera, but I like the slip of the face oil. If you are new to like face shaving, I would say to use aloe vera first, and then like switch to a facial oil. But I just lather my face all up. I also forgot to mention before, oh, I need to go grab a paper towel. But before I put the face oil, I wash my face to make sure it's like very clean. I'm gonna go. My phone just fell. That was kind of crazy. I'm gonna go grab a paper towel. Alrighty, it's time to lock in because it's like almost 1:30 and there's no reason that I am still up. Like, period. Okay, let's do this. I like to hold my skin like taut, like tight, and just shave. And I just find that shaving my face lets my makeup like lay better. My skincare like actually penetrates my skin. Yeah. And my face just looks like smoother and glowier. You gotta get that mustache, girl. Because my like lip combos and my makeup above my lip just do not sit right when I have hair above my lip. And I also like try to change these out pretty often. Just because I don't want like all the bacteria and stuff. Period. I would just say if you're doing it for the first time, be very, very gentle. Don't go over any active breakouts. Like I have a little pimple right there and I'm skipping over that. And yeah, just be very, very gentle. And if you have like sensitive skin or like just don't know what you're doing, definitely ask like your dermatologist or like esthetician first. Like don't do this without some type of advice, child, because who am I? I also like to do my eyebrows while I'm doing this, so I just brush them up and start tweezing. I just like to clean up the bottoms. Do y'all do your own eyebrows or do you like get them waxed or threaded? What's tea? I've actually never gotten my eyebrows like professionally done. My mom always did them like with little barber razors. That's how you know my mom was like a cosmetologist. She just used those on me, and then I like started using these and tweezers, but never got my eyebrows professionally done. I'm also like terrified, excuse me, that they will get messed up. Do y'all have favorite eyebrows? I think this is my favorite eyebrow. I don't know, but I think we're done. I just need to like pluck these chin hairs, and we're about to get real deep and personal because I get like these hairs on my throat and they do not be looking cute. So I'll be plucking them out. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or what, but they have to go. After this, I'm just going to wash my face, get all this oil and like all the dead skin and stuff off. Okay, my face is all clean. And because I'm about to do my eyelashes, I made sure my lids and stuff were extra clean and didn't have any oils on them. Also, if y'all see this little stain, you don't, it's makeup. Just mind your business, thank you. I don't like to do a face mask or anything because I feel like my face is pretty gentle right now. I just like to moisturize. But I am gonna use my topicals en masse. And I like to do it on clean skin because I feel like the product actually like penetrates in that way, if that makes sense. I will probably leave these on longer than 15 minutes. Again, gotta mind your business, babe. Those on. And like I said, I don't like to use anything like harsh on my face or any like active, so I use the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I really like this one and it's really hydrating, so we're just gonna go in with her. Then after I take off the eye patches, I like put this on under my eyes to make sure they're nice and hydrated after too. Look how like plump and juicy she looks. I love that for me. Wow, I feel like a whole new woman, y'all. Also, make sure to not put the cream on my eyelids or like around my lash line, just because I'm about to do my lashes. I'm using the Bordermeister lashes from Amazon, and these are my favorite lashes, y'all. I love them so much. They're good for like every day. They're clusters, and I used to do my own like literal individual eyelashes. They just took too much time, and like the takeout was ridiculous. I was like losing eyelashes. And then I was doing like smaller clusters, and I like those too, but they've been sold out, the ones that I like at least. But I've been using these, love these. I always get so many questions. They're from Amazon. I'll like make sure the link is down below so y'all can get them. I think they're like $10. Love these. Also, I'm using, I don't know the name of this, but it's like a bond and seal from Amazon. I'll also make sure the link for this is down below. I like this too. It's cool. I feel like most bond and seals are like the same. Go in with the bond side and just put that on my lashes. So my lash map, I usually do like 14, 12, 12, 12, 10. That's what we're gonna do today. My lash, and I like to hold it like in the front or at the top. And we're gonna stick it under, right on my lashes. There we go. So that was a 14. Let me do a 12. We're gonna do another 12. And just like, I don't go too far past my lashes because I don't want it like on my waterline, and because that just doesn't sound fun. And sometimes I like to like press it with the end of the tweezers to make sure they're stuck. We're gonna do like another process after to make sure they're stuck, but that's just like my temporary measure. I'm gonna add another 12. Lastly, I'm gonna add 10. And there we have it. Y'all see how quick that was? Ooh, this one is like looking too far in. Okay, we're gonna try that again. Sometimes I put them like too far on my like waterline, and it does not feel good. Next, we're gonna go in with the seal side and just brush at the bottom. I can't find my like longer tweezers, but I just put it like on the tweezer and like squeeze my lash. I just like push them together, but because I can't find my long tweezers, I'm just gonna use my fingers and hope for the best. But this is what they look like. They're pretty natural and they're not heavy or anything, and I really like them. So now let's do the other side. Okay, update. I don't recommend putting the seal on the regular like tweezers that you use to do your lashes, because I did that and the lashes were like sticking to the tweezer instead of applying to my eye. But I found my long tweezers, and what I like to do is like go in and like squeeze and push everything together. I just feel like it helps my lashes like last longer. But this is what they look like. I love these lashes. And they'll probably last me like 5 to 7 days. I will say the outer corners do come out because like my eyes are teary. But most of the time I'll just reapply or like put a new one on. But these are the lashes. This is the skin. This is what we're cooking with. We'll be back for nails. So I've been wearing press-on nails for about 3 years, but I've never had like custom luxury press-on nails. And one of my baby bros has a nail business. It's called Press for Fresh, and she makes luxury press-on nails, y'all. And she sent me some. They are so cute. And I've had my share of my press-ons falling off, so I have the keys to get yours to last. You have to focus on your prep. If you do not prep your nails, expect them to come off, girl. So I like to cut my nails like pretty short when I first start. I push my cuticles all the way back, and then I like to file my nails. So these were like almond shaped, so I make sure my nails kind of match the shape of the press-on nails. And then after that, I make sure to buff the surface of my nails, because if they aren't rough, think about it, like if your nails are really smooth, they're just gonna slide, like the press-on is just gonna slide off. So I like to give
the press-on like a rough surface to stick onto, and then you have to dehydrate your nails. She actually included little alcohol pads in the little kit with the nails, so that was really easy to do. And then after that, you have to make sure all of the nails like fit your nails perfectly. So before gluing anything down, I always size them and make sure like the sides match evenly. And if it doesn't, I just file my nail a little bit, or I'll file the press on a little bit. And then after that, I like to put glue on my nail and make sure it's an even surface. And then I also put glue on the press on nail, and then I slide it in kind of at an angle, put it under my cuticle, and yeah, that's how I do it.
Y'all, the wait is literally like 2:30 at this point. I don't know where the time went, but thank you so much for joining me on my little maintenance night. I just love filling my own cup and like just taking time out of the week to make myself feel cute, you know. I want you to comment down below how you're filling your own cup like this week or whenever you're watching this, whether that's like a nice long dark shower, a little beauty maintenance day, whether you're like setting some boundaries, saying no to something. But yeah, again, thank you so much for joining me on my little beauty maintenance night. Doing my own maintenance is just so much fun to me, honestly, because I'm literally just a girl. Love sitting down, just doing my nails, doing my lashes. Hope this inspired you to do the same, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment how you're filling your own cup, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any uploads, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.